Many times some people see to the word economics, like in news and articles, but they don't know what economics is all about. What if we tell you economics is applied every day in your life? Isn't excited? Speaking from experience, the study of economics is nothing more than the study of management. Do you ever think, why are some countries rich and some countries poor? What causes recessions? What is the role of government in a country? Economics can help us answer these questions. So, today we will discuss what is economic and why we need to understand economics. So let's get started. Many people hear the word economic and think it is all about money. But economic is not just about money. It is about weighing different choices or alternatives. Some of those important choices involve money, but most do not. Most of your daily, monthly, or life choices have nothing to do with money, yet they are still the subject of economics. We make all kinds of choices every day. How much should I spend on gas? What's the best route to work? Where should we go for dinner? These all are the subject of economics. You might also think, economics is all about not making foolish or wasteful choices about how you spend your time and money. That is a part of what economics is all about. It often involves topics like wealth and finance. But it's not all about money. Economics is broad that helps us understand historical trends, interpret today's headlines, and make predictions about the coming years. Economics is a social science concerned with the production, distribution, and consumption of goods and services. It studies how individuals, businesses, governments, and nations make choices about how to allocate limited resources. Social science is the branch of science devoted to the study of societies and the relationships among individuals within those societies. The term was formerly used to refer to the field of sociology. Economics is the study of how humans make decisions in the face of scarcity. These can be individual decisions, family decisions, business decisions, or societal decisions. If you look around carefully, you will see that scarcity is a fact of life. Scarcity means that human wants for goods, services, and resources exceed what is available. Resources, such as labor, tools, land, and raw materials, are necessary to produce the goods and services we want. But they exist in limited supply. Because these resources are limited, so are the numbers of goods and services we produce with them. If you still do not believe that scarcity is a problem, consider the following. Does everyone need food to eat? Does everyone need a decent place to live? Does everyone have access to health care? In every country in the world, some people are hungry, homeless. Why is this the case? It is because of scarcity. Think about all the things you consume: food, shelter, clothing, transportation, healthcare, and entertainment. How do you acquire those items? You do not produce them yourself. You buy them. How do you afford the things you buy? You work for pay. Or if you do not, someone else does on your behalf. Yet most of us never have enough to buy all the things we want. It is because of scarcity. So how do we solve it? Every society, at every level, must make choices about how to use its resources. Families must decide whether to spend their money on a new car or a fancy vacation. Towns must choose whether to put more of the budget into police and fire protection or the school system. Nations must decide whether to devote more funds to national defense or to protect the environment. In most cases, there just isn't enough money in the budget to do everything. So why do we not each just produce all of the things we consume? The simple answer is most of us do not know how. But that is not the main reason. When you study economics, you will discover that the obvious choice is not always the right answer, or at least the complete answer. Studying economics teaches you to think in different way. So why we need to understand economics? virtually every major problem facing the world today, from global warming to world poverty to the conflicts between countries, all have an economic dimension. If you are going to be part of solving those problems, you need to be able to understand them. Economics is crucial. A basic understanding of economics makes you a well-rounded thinker. When you read articles about economic issues, you will understand and be able to evaluate the writer's argument. When you hear classmates, co-workers, or political candidates talking about economics, you will be able to distinguish between common sense and nonsense. You will find new ways of thinking about current events and personal and business decisions, as well as politics. I hope you liked the video. Comment and tell us your point of view. And if you like the video, press the like button. And share the video with your friends and family. And subscribe to our channel for more videos like this.